Hey everyone, it's Katie. I hope you're doing well. So I want to share something with you that I came across today that I think is going to benefit the whole staff to hear, but specifically regarding assignments in Schoology that you use the Google Drive Assignments app for. Now, what's been happening this semester specifically is anybody who is in your class as a support person or whoever it might be cannot access those assignments. So what's been happening is, for instance, if I have a paraprofessional pull a small group of kids, that paraprofessional can't get to the kids' work, and it adds so much time to small group because then they're having to ask the kids to share their work with them, and it takes a while. I think I found the fix for this, so I want to share this with you guys. Now, previously, anything I made in Google Drive, which is most of my stuff for my class, I would share already, like each individual document. I would go through and make sure the names of the support staff in my class were as a collaborator on there, but that wasn't working. There was still a weird hang-up when we got to Schoology, and they could not access kids' work. So here is the solution that I have found. We tested it today and it worked, so fingers crossed that this is something helpful for our whole staff here. So when you click here on the My Drive on Google Drive, you just go to your own folder, not a shared one. You will notice if you scroll down, there is a Schoology Google Drive folder that I never knew existed until today. And this, I believe, is what we need to look at. So you can see we have advisory, last semester, and then this semester. So I focused on this semester, I clicked on this, and then up top here, I want to go to this arrow after my section name and number, and I'm going to click share. This is where I'm going to put the names of who I need, so I have Miss V and Miss Martin in here. You can choose, I think editor is probably the best, doesn't really make a difference, but for whatever reason this is the magic key that unlocks this part of Schoology for them. So now, as someone in my course who is both an administrator and a support person, they can go in and they can click on any of these assignments the kids have done and pull up their actual work, whereas before they were not able to. All right, so I encourage you, if you use that app in your class, to go ahead and make sure that you are including them on that, whoever you want to see the different assignments that you're working on and whatnot. I think that's really going to help and really help our kids in small group time. If you have any questions, let me know.